Today, I'm at Ysgol Gynradd Gymraeg Rhosafan to share some exciting news with you. A brand new zero carbon school is set to be built at this site, thanks to the Welsh Government's Sustainable Schools Challenge. The £15 million school will be packed with energy efficient technology, including ground source heat pumps and solar panels. We'll be using local supply chains and materials and discouraging the use of carbon intensive materials whenever possible. What's even more exciting is that the students of Rhosafan worked on the design of the school. It will be completely rebuilt and will include a community hub which will deliver services to the benefit of the local community. But that's not all. It will also contain a Welsh language immersion unit to help English-speaking pupils entering Welsh education at a later stage. I'd like to thank everyone who's contributed to the vision for this ambitious project, and we now look forward to seeing this exciting scheme develop.